If y is equals to sin x whole power cos x plus cos x whole power sin x, find dy by dx. Let u is equals to sin x whole power cos x and v is equals to cos x whole power sin x. Means we are taking this first term as u and the second term as v. Now if you see, so then y will become u plus v. This one plus this one is nothing but u plus v. So if you apply differentiation on both sides, it is dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Let us take this as equation number 1. Now consider the first term, that is u is equals to sin x whole power cos x. Now apply first of all apply log here. So when you take log on both sides, so it is log u and it is log of sin x whole power cos x. So this will be cos x into log sin x. From this formula we can write like this. And when you apply differentiation on both sides, so it is in the form of log x. So when we know differentiation of log x is 1 by x, but in the place of x u is there, so we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we'll get 1 by u du by dx, and this is in the form of uv, differentiation of uv. We know u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So this is u, this is v. So u into differentiation of v log sin x. So once again log x is 1 by x, in the place of x you have sin x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus v means log sin x is v, and differentiation of u, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So when you simplify this line here, 1 by u and this is left hand side is as it is. This is cos x into cos x, cos square x by sin x, and this is plus minus of plus is minus sin x, writing first here sin x into log sin x, and sending this u this side, right side. So du by dx is equals to u into cos square x by sin x minus sin x log sin x, and we have taken u as sin x, or we have taken sin x whole power cos x as u. So in the place of u we are writing sin x whole power cos x, and this is as it is. And let us take this as equation number 2, that is du by dx as equation number, this as equation number 2. And let us consider the second term, that is v is equals to cos x whole power sin x. When you apply log here, so log v is equals to, so when you apply log here, it is sin x log cos x. So when you apply differentiation on both sides, it is 1 by v dv by dx as discussed in the previous steps, and once again it is in the form of uv. So u means sin x, and it is 1 by cos x, and cos x differentiation is minus sin x, plus v log cos x is v, and differentiation of u means differentiation of sin x is cos x. So when you simplify here, sending v this side, so dv by dx is equals to v into, writing this first term, this as first term, that is cos x log cos x, and this is minus sin square x by cos x, and the place of v cos x and sin x, we are writing cos x over sin x, and let us take this dv by dx as 3. And from equation number 1, 2 and 3, so what is our equation number 1? We have taken dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx, and equation number 2 is du by dx, and equation number 3 is dv by dx. So combining all those equations, you can write dy by dx is as sin x whole power cos x into cos square x by sin x minus sin x log sin x plus cos x power sin x into cos x log cos x minus sin square x cos x. So this is the dy by dx of the given equation. So we have find out the dy by dx of this given equation. So this is the our answer. So for more videos, subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching.